Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve online on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve online on Telegram app, you should just go to settings. After that you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window or to the app of Telegram and you can click. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. After that you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.